Assalamualaikum. My question is, when someone dies, we say, Inna Lillahi wa Inna Ilaihi Rajioon. Why do we also say this when we lose a material belonging?
Do you know the meaning of it?
I don't know.
We are for Allah, to whom we have to return. So Quran says that not only when somebody dies you say that, whenever you lose anything or you are in difficulty, you are in a problem, then you say, and that will remind you of the power of Allah Ta'ala. Allah Ta'ala will always remain in this world, and every other thing has to die. So say, Inna Lillahi wa Inna Ilaihi Rajioon. So it also have very deep meaning as well. When sometime you lose something and you have forgotten something, you have kept it somewhere, if you say Inna Lillahi wa Inna Ilaihi Rajioon, it so happens, and it has happened on so many occasions with me and with other people as well. When we say Inna Lillahi wa Inna Ilaihi Rajioon, then immediately either we find that thing or it comes into our mind that yes, I have kept that thing in there. So it also works to find the things, to save you from your loss. So this is the prayer, that if a person dies, I was relying on him. I am very sad on his demise or her demise, but Allah is always there. He will protect me. He will save me. See, the same thing happened when the father of Muslim died, and he was very much worried because he was not working anywhere, and his source of income was from his father. Then when he was worried, he prayed, oh God, what will I do? After saying Inna Lillahi wa Inna Ilaihi Rajioon, then immediately it was revealed to him by Allah Ta'ala that Alaihi bi kafin abduhu, is not sufficient for his servants. You are Allah's servant, so Allah is sufficient for you. So this is how Allah Ta'ala comforted him. So this is why we say this. This is the prayer which gives you comfort, right? This is why we say Inna Lillahi wa Inna Ilaihi Rajioon. Okay?